Hey everybody.
I'm Alora.
I'm Dustin.
And we're Likely Lost. And today we are in a hotel room, and as hotel housekeeping supervisors in the past, we decided to make a quick video showing, now that we know what housekeepers do, how we leave hotel rooms. So first, we took all the trash out of the trash cans and threw it in our bags that we had. This was just more trash that we had. And so just put all of our trash in one spot. Put all of our towels all together in the shower and made sure we didn't leave any like trash anywhere. Did you grab my towel from up there? Okay. And then we also stripped the beds. We left the mattress topper, and I separated the sheets, the regular sheets with the pillowcases. So we used to throw all the sheets and the mattress topper and everything all together, even our towels. You remember when we did that?
Yeah, bad idea.
And then when we became housekeepers, we were like, oh my gosh, we really like messed up these people's day with this. It's the pillows and the comforter from what we know. I feel like most places don't wash those. So they just have to throw that in their dirty linens, put the new sheets on, and then dress the room. And of course we checked everything in the cabinets and stuff, make sure we didn't leave anything. Anything else you want to add to people that want to leave their room right?
Don't wad everything up. I almost want to say, like, I liked it better when there was still like sheets on the bed. I could take it apart the way I wanted.
Oh, yeah.
But at the same time, as long as they're separated, you're all right.
Yeah. We did kind of wad up the towels, but it just makes it easier to grab.
All the towels can be bleached. That's what's going to happen to those.
Yeah. All right. Oh, and also last thing is tip your housekeeping staff. All right. Goodbye.
Thanks
for watching.